Andito kami ngayon sa Terminal 1, Ninoy Aquino. Ang flight namin is PR318. Malamig dito ngayon. Masarap ang aircon ng Terminal 1. Masaya. So, ang flight namin is 10 AM and we expect to arrive Hong Kong ng 10:20. Eksakto yon. Plano namin pumunta sa Macau. Pagka landing, Macau muna. Okay? So ngayon, ginawa namin muna, kumain muna kami sa Starbucks. Kasi 5 o'clock pa lang, umalis na kami sa bahay. Para sure na dumating kami dito. Maayos naman yung immigration. It's a swift. Mabilis yung yung process. Okay, so right now we're just waiting for our boarding time, which is around 9:15, and then we're set. Okay guys, mamaya balikan ko kayo kung ano naman ang mangyayari upon our arrival. Okay, maganda yung weather din dito pala, malamig. Okay ngayon ang dito sa Manila. Okay, ayan si Muriel ngayon. Ayan siya. Pumilit na yung sobra pang Starbucks yan. Kumakain siya. Ayan, matawa na siya. Okay guys, so happy lang tayo. Mamaya balikan ko kayo. Okay guys, so nandito na kami. Nakuha ko na yung pocket wifi. At ngayon pupunta na kami dun sa may B4 yata yun or B5 para sumakay nung shuttle going to the Hong Kong port because we will go to Macau. Hindi namin na-avail yung free bus kasi we need to get our pocket wifi here.
Saan?
Dito sa may A09 arrival hall. So hindi namin na-avail yung free shuttle bus. Okay lang yon. At least may experience namin gumamit nitong shuttle bus going to the Hong Kong port and then go to Macau. Mamaya try namin kuhanan yung yung Hong Kong Suhay.
If we're able to,
first time ko yun
avail of the free shuttle bus, how much na yung na-save natin?
Yung
kasi
free
meron
shuttle,
pa pala
para mga 800 pesos.
Per head?
Oo. Free yun free.
Per head sana yun. So 1.6, no?
Anyway, let's go. Let's see the bus now. Okay. Let's proceed. Let's see. Tara. Okay guys. So tapos na kami sa immigration from Hong Kong. Lumabas kami, pupunta na kami ngayon dito sa Golden Bus. Nagbayad din kami ng 65 Hong Kong dollar each. Total 130. Go time accepted dito. Okay, so hahanapin namin yung Golden Bus. I think the ride is 45 minutes. Okay. Sige, mamaya kita tayo. engineering of this project. The Hong Kong Zhuhai Macau Bridge. Okay, so nandito na kami. We're here at the free shuttle of Sofitel Ponte 16. We're just waiting for some guests to ride. Okay. We're lining up. So okay, so nandito kami sa Sofitel Ponte 16 Macau, and this is our room. Okay, binigyan niya kami ng ocean view. Okay, so kompleto dito. Malaki yung room. Mga ilang square meters sa tingin mo ito, Mami? 22 lang to. I think this is bigger. So this is a king bed. Okay, and then you have a beautiful painting here of Macau. And then parang meron kang ano rito, lounge sofa. And then ang maganda rito is the view. Ocean view.
Tsaka yung swimming pool.
Okay, this is ocean view. And from here, you can already see China. That is Zhuhai, China. So, nakita mo na yung China. Yan, China yan. And then, pag sinilip mo sa baba, you can see the pool view. Okay, of Sofitel Macau Ponte 16. This is an iconic hotel here in Macau. Okay.
Anong time na, Daddy?
And then you have a TV, of course. This is a first class. This is a luxury room, I would say. Sofitel brand. Okay. Ito may coffee maker. And then, if you need ice, lagayan yan. And then, dito ulit sa toilet, you have a big bathtub. Okay. This is the cabinet. Meron ka rin ditong safety deposit box na pwede mong gamitin. Okay, masaya ako sa room namin. Okay. And then itong kasama ko si Mrs. Okay. By the way, gutom na kami. Kakain muna kami, ha.
Where are we going?
Senado Square.
Sige.
Let's explore the Senado Square.
We'll try to find our way to Senado Square and get something because we're really hungry. is the line.
Sayang wala tayong tripod. Yay! Oh! Look!
And this is the famous pork chop bun. I don't know why it's famous, but we're gonna try it for the first time.
Okay na.
Look at the throng of people, and actually they came from the St. Paul ruins, and that's where we're heading now. We're gonna check out St. Paul ruins this 2024, and we'll try to explore the back of the ruined cathedral, because we failed to do that the last time we were here, and we'll do it right this time. Wow, I can see it now. Are you happy that you're here? I always use that word, Daddy.
Nice to be back.
This is the same person who said that he's gonna vlog this travel, but all of a sudden he lost the energy to do it.
Okay, we can see
So
now the...
I'm picking it up for him, because we cannot waste this precious time that we're here. So look at that.
Third time na natin to. Wow!
That's the facade of
It's better now.
of St. Paul's ruins.
This is our third
Magnifico. Magnifico.
Ganda.
Beautiful. Okay, Daddy, the challenge is for us to go up the stairs and see what's at the back of that.
Ito yung pinakamagandang time hapon. The weather is pleasant. Not too cold, not too warm. And you can see the St. Paul's ruins. This is our third time to be here. But this is the only time that I intend to walk up to the end of the ruins.
Remember when we were here, what year was that?
2008.
We had a picture with the ruins behind us as our backdrop, and we'll do it again. Unfortunately, we did not bring the selfie stick. Wow, look at that. Wow. Daddy!
This is my friend, Kabayan.
Daddy!
Thank you. Mami, gusto mo po? Bigyan pa sa kanya. Thank you. Okay, this is free. Ano ba tawag dito? Basta. Parang tosino. Sarap.
Okay. First step. Akyat ka, Daddy! Daddy, akyat ka! Are you an old man?
No.
No? Kaya, kaya.
Silipin ko lang sa loob. Maraming rosé look-alike dito.
Apatu, apatu? Apatu? Let's reveal what's on the other side. This will be our first time.
Thank you. Wow, this is my first time.
And there's a temple here. What's in here? What's in here?
Can we exit?
What's in here? Built in 1834. To 1907. As ruinas de Sao Paulo, ao longo do tempo, ruins of St. Paul's. Through time.
You can see from right here.
Yeah.
This is how it looks at the back.
Egg tart galore.
Yep.
Agad.
Go, go.
That's coconut from Thailand? From Thailand, huh? It's delicious.
Good, huh?
Wait,
Thailand.
again?
Wow, so very good.
Picture mo.
Video to eh.
Paano
Wait,
na?
picture. Ganda. No? Good morning.
Good morning. It's time for breakfast.
7 o'clock.
The breakfast here is at the 6th floor.
7 a.m. open.
Yeah. So, Mistral Restaurant.
This is a salad station. Pesto. Soup. I don't know. Kamote. Corn. Veggies. Cereal section.
Sarap ng breakfast. It's complete.
There's a coffee here.
Did you order for us? Sorted cheese and cold cuts. And here's your bread. Sesame.
It's breakfast time at the Mistral Cafe. Cappuccino. Good morning po. So we are here sa bus ng Grand Lisboa shuttle bus. So this morning we're going to Cotais area. And ang na-decide namin, sumakay kami dito sa Grand Lisboa shuttle service free because this will bring us to the Grand Lisboa Palace. And from the Grand Lisboa Palace, may mga shuttle service na doon that will bring you to the other casino theme hotels like the Venetian, Parisian, London. So pwede nyo gawin yun. Pag nandiyan kayo sa Senado Square, punta kayo sa Casino Lisboa. Gamitin nyo, very comfortable siya. Okay? Yeah. Tapos guys, we are here at the Venetian. Huli namin punta rito 2019. That was before the pandemic. 1920. So after 5 years, andito kami ulit. Hindi siya nagbago Well-maintained ng The Venetian Hotel.
Hold on.
Well, hindi, medyo yuko kang konti. Hindi. Taas mo to, pero ikaw yuko. Konti lang. Ayan. Angat na. Tama, hindi kaya.
Hindi kaya.
Ayan, ganyan. Ayan.
Ganyan tayo. Ayan. Right. Iconic yan. Sabihin mo.
Oh, this is video ba?
Yeah, that's a
Okay.
video. Okay.
That's the iconic logo of the Venetian. Hindi nagbago ang Venetian Hotel. Hindi siya nagbago. Well-maintained. I'm happy to be back.
I've been running from it, tired of running from it, scared of feeling something. Now I'm stuck here trying to get up out of this hole.
Board the City of Dreams and Studio City Shuttle Bus 15分钟，每天实际时间或因交通情况而有所变化。期待您再次到访新航天地及新航领会。
Ewan ko ba, saan tayo bumagsak na restaurant? Pero mukhang masarap dito. Malapit itong restaurant na to sa may Grand Lisboa. This is like a local restaurant. Okay, the name of the place is Good Fortune Noodle. Okay, we ordered the chicken rice and the vegetable and another beef na ulam. Okay guys, good morning. We're having our breakfast, our second day here at the Sofitel Monte Macao, here at the Mistral Cafe. Okay, so that's Muriel. That's the wife. She just got her breakfast, and this is my breakfast. Okay, we'll go to Hong Kong this morning after breakfast. Hi, Mommy. Mommy. Wow. Nice. Fred Perry jacket. Nice. Okay. Did you enjoy the breakfast? Yes, yes, of course. Yeah. It's better today than yesterday. Sarap ng cappuccino. Okay, yung cappuccino nila dito gusto ko. Sarap. So, today is December 4. We're checking out early because we will go to Hong Kong. We will just ride the 101X bus going to Macau Port because the shuttle service of Sofitel Ponte 16 Macau will start 11 a.m. and for me that's late, so I'd rather go to take the 101 Bus X para makarating kami agad sa Macau Port, and then we will go through immigration and pay for the golden bus that will take us to Hong Kong Suhai Macau Bridge, and in 45 minutes we are in Hong Kong. Mas gusto kong dumating kasi sa Hong Kong guys ng mas maaga. So magbabas na lang ako, 6 pataka lang naman ang bayad eh. Okay? So I enjoyed my stay here in this hotel in Macau. At panalo ko guys ng 32,000 pesos. Kailangan. Anyway guys, thank you. Okay, nakarating na kami dito sa Macau Port. Mga 25 minutes lang yung travel time namin from Sofitel Hotel. So, papasok na kami dito sa immigration. First time namin dito. Maganda ang procedure nila dito. Okay, so departure tayo. Immigration, then we will buy tickets for the golden bus.
I can tell what you think and you always be making the worst of it all. Did you think by now I'd be crashing and burning straight through the wall? Side inside of the words, I do it all because
Sugar. Yeah. Hong Kong style local breakfast. Ito yung namis ko, what do you call this coffee?
Black and white.
Black and white.
This is the one with Abalone.
This one, mine.
Pineapple bun. And the one with tomato sauce. Okay. Bon appetit.
Eating right here in McDonald's at the airport.
First time.
First time.